Hey guys, it's Vaughn, and today I partnered with Creme of Nature to bring you guys this super fun hairstyling video. This look is inspired by Proud Mary's transformation as an undercover hit woman. So all of the disguises and different looks that she had in the movie, we're going to kind of be inspired by that in this video. I am bringing you guys this super fierce femme fatale, just badass killer curly look, and I'm basing this look off of the Proud Mary trailer because I have not seen the movie yet, but it does drop this Friday, January 12th, and I do encourage you guys to check it out because I will definitely be checking it out. So in this video, you guys are going to watch me unleash my inner Proud Mary. I'm going to be transforming into my alter ego, and nothing makes me feel more sexy and badass than a set of shiny, voluminous, healthy looking curls. So I thought, why not recreate the look that I had when I first got my hair colored? And I'm just really excited to share how easy this look is. So I'm going to be the strong leading lady in today's video, channeling my inner Proud Mary, played by Academy Award nominated actress Taraji P Henson, and Creme of Nature as the official hair care partner of Proud Mary the movie. So let's get into this hairstyle assassination, shall we? I'm going to be sharing the details of this look, you guys, from start to finish. So of course we have to start with clean hair. I'm just saturating the hair with water like I always do. I feel like the more saturated and soaked the hair is, the better it will behave and cooperate with the shampoo. So I'm just using my all-time favorite shampoo. This is the Creme of Nature with Argan oil from Morocco, sulfate-free moisture and shine shampoo. It's like liquid gold. I love it so much. It lathers amazingly. It just detangles my hair. It makes it so soft. It's amazing. You'll notice that this hairstyle works as a really good camouflage for those of us dealing with heat damage. Next, I'm going to condition my hair, and I don't have time for a deep condition, so I'm just going to use this intensive conditioning treatment, which will allow my hair to be deeply conditioned without having to go through all of the steps of a deep conditioning process. This stuff makes my hair extremely soft and ready to style. Once I'm out of the shower, I'm just going to kind of towel dry and just add in my Perfect 7-in-1 leave-in treatment. I'm primarily using this as a heat protectant, but I'm also using it for shine, moisture, and controlling my frizz. I'm blow drying the hair just to give it a little bit of stretch. I don't want my curls to be too springy and shrunken, so this is just going to give me a little bit of length. Since the end result is curly, I don't need to blow this super straight. I'm using two different size Flexi rods for this look. They're both 10 inches in length, but one is wider in diameter than the other. For products today, I'm going to be using the Perfect Edges Extra Hold Hair Gel and a combination of the Style and Shine Foaming Mousse and the Moisture Recovery Leave-In Curl Milk. I feel like this little duo is a really good combination for naturals trying to achieve styles that require you to sit under a hooded dryer. It's going to give you that hold and that moisture. Really nice results. Now here I'm just applying the curler to my hair, just wrapping it around, very self-explanatory. I probably didn't need to bend the roller at the bottom. I don't know what the heck I was doing, but you really only need to bend it at the top just to secure it. And this Perfect Edges Extra Hold Edge Gel is really going to help combat frizzy edges. I just used the smaller rollers for the nape of my neck. This installation process probably took like half an hour, maybe a little bit longer, because you don't want to rush through it and you don't want it to be sloppy. I'm just sitting here hoping that this turns out right because this is my first time doing this hairstyle. But anyway, after about an hour under the dryer, which isn't too bad, it's time to take these down. If your hair is thicker, it might take longer. If your hair is longer, it might take longer. But for me, about an hour. I'm just going to use some of the 100% pure argan oil to coat my hands just to try to keep frizz down as much as possible. It's really easy to take these down, but you do want to take your time because you don't want to disrupt the curl too much. You want to maintain some control. So I took my time with this. It probably took me 15 to 20 minutes just to take these out. And as you're taking these down, you guys, you'll really start to see how incredible the Style and Shine Foaming Mousse actually is because my hair is holding up so well. And I probably used about 40 of these rollers, just so you guys know. So don't skimp out on the rollers. My advice is get more than you think you'll need. Once I've taken all the rollers down, it's time to separate the curls. Now guys, I take my time on this part. It's very time consuming and it's going to be really tempting to just kind of rake through the curls to get them all separated quickly. But this is where you really want to take your time, because what you don't want to do is to have gone through all of this process and then end up with like this frizzy mess. You want to keep those curls intact so that you can see all that hard work, you can see all that definition. Now look, I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, I don't want to look like Shirley Temple or Annie or Curly Sue. I get it. That's why we're going to take this pick and we're going to take this hairstyle to the next level. I am all about the pick game. You know, taking down the rollers is just the first step to this style. You're not styling until you're picking this out into a shape that you love. So I am going to pick this hair to the gods, okay? Once you get the makeup on, you know, it'll all start to kind of come together. Usually when I'm styling my hair, I don't really know what direction I want to take until my look is complete. So now that I got my makeup on, I'm like, I want to put a part on the side because that's going to make this look really nice. So using the long part of my wide tooth comb, I'm just going to create a part right in the front on the side, nothing too long and too deep. And I'm just going to separate the hair and make it go in 2 different directions. That way I can play around with the height on the top, and then by being on the side, it makes it look more edgy and funky. I'm loving that look these days. You're in a great position to do an updo with these curls as well. Since my edges are exposed, I want to go ahead and put a finishing touch on them. This is just going to add some shine, but also like polish it up and clean it up a little bit. So I'm just adding a little bit of that Perfect Edges Extra Hold hair gel. And I'm using my little mini Creme of Nature brush just to lay these little hairs down and make them look purposeful, like, you know, a part of the style. You meant to have that little piece be exposed. And there's so many different directions you can go with this kind of style. I mean, you have a full head of voluminous curls. You can do funky updos. You can do something really high fashion where you just comb the hair off the face. You can do so many different things. As long as you preserve this hair at night and keep the ends of the hair preserved, you can really play with this for a couple of days. How am I going to preserve this hair, you ask? Well, sis, I'm going to pineapple the hair, which is basically pulling it up all the way to the top with an elastic band and lining the perimeter with a satin scarf. Works for me. Well, ladies, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just hoping that this video was as fun to watch as it was for me to make. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Yeah.